The majority of car accidents in Stockton involve a driver who is distracted, aggressive, or otherwise negligent. When you're injured in an accident in Stockton and aren't at fault, you're eligible to file a personal injury claim against the negligent driver's insurance company. A personal injury claim is used to secure financial assistance for your medical bills, vehicle repairs, and other damages. This process can be challenging as insurance companies often aim to minimize payout on claims. Additionally, they might solicit statements from you that could be used against you later, even if you were not at fault for the accident. With all this in mind, the sooner you can reach out to our team of Stockton car accident lawyers at Maison Law, the better. That will give us more time to evaluate your claim and gather important evidence to build a strong case for your financial recovery. If you or a loved one has been injured in a car accident in Stockton, don't hesitate to reach out to us today for a free, no obligation consultation.